Halo. Halo football. Duh, ini kenapa nih? Connect kayak lu. Kayaknya belum connect sama ininya deh. Waduh. Sudah aman? Harusnya aman. Harusnya aman. Please aman, please. Nah, oke, dah. Mari kita thumbnail lagi, urus thumbnail lagi. Astaga. Naga. Bener-bener. Ya bukan ini. Live yang baru, bro. Belum ada pula di sini. Sabar, bentar. Loh, kok nggak ada? Sebentar. Ngupload thumbnailnya ribet ini. Nah, ini. Ayo, mari. Upload thumbnail, habis itu bikin pengumuman. Save. Sambil ini deh, sambil nyari match daripada lama. Bentar. Habis itu kita share seperti biasa. Ngapa kelar dah live-nya? Enggak. Tadi keputus. Bentar. Discord. Ya, walaupun tidak ada yang gua spam everyone nih, at everyone. Gitu deh, gitu kayak. Nice, let's go. Dah. Oke, ini harusnya nih gacha POTW, bang. Aduh, malas saya gacha POTW, bro. Mending buat beli ini pack. Oke, ini aman harusnya. Dah. Yuk. Line up saya masih seperti ini, tidak ada perubahan. Tapi ini udah lumayan oke sih, udah cukup oke sih ini. Ini tinggal pelatih diganti, enggak, bukan pelatih ini, Calvin Phillips nih. Nih. Ininya masih 65 tuh. Tim playstyle-nya. Kayaknya Calvin Phillips harus kita ganti deh. Sama siapa gitu deh. Coba lihat musuhnya. Aduh, musuhnya seperti ini. Odegaard, Anthony-nya masih botak loh. Rafinha. No, mending beli pack-pack kayak gitu, Pak. Kayak Hernandez dia, Mike Nyan dia, terus Kalulu dia. Mending beli kayak gitu. Sekali beli dapat banyak. Kalau misalkan beli POTW nggak bisa di-upgrade, cuma dapat satu lagi. Makanya saya ngumpulin koin dulu. Dan by the way, Martin Braithwaite masih saya bawa loh, heran gue. Masih ya dibawa. Kita lihat pemain pemanasan. Musuhnya belum soalnya. Nah, dah. Yuk, mari. Apa itu? Dihapus, cok, komennya. Ini dia apa namanya, match pertama kita malam hari ini. Mau beli pack apa, bang? Tidak tahu, nanti adanya apa saya beli. Tapi belum cukup sih, ini masih koin gue masih 300 atau berapa gitu. Anjir, masa baru-baru udah.
Just joining us, we are already underway. In Paul Scholes, we have a player who can pull all the strings in midfield. One of England's best ever. So unsung, but
Ngelek nih gue liat.
by those he plays with. Yeah, simply a master of passing, Peter. His ability to know what's going on around
Buang.
him at any
Ya.
given time makes him such a clever and hugely capable of danger in this team. And now a second chance to counter.
Ya.
Now it's Neymar. And he's in on
Rakitic, Neymar, ya masuk 1-0. Menit kelima. Asik. Ya, bergaya lu deh. Ya mainkan deh. Buset deh. Tabrakan, bro.
So a breakthrough already. Odegaard. Well seen. Saw
yeah.
that coming.
Ya, kalau misalkan gue main pakai lagu lebih seru kali ya. Cuma kalau misalkan di PS nggak bisa pakai lagu, bre. Keblok sendiri
Well, they put it back in.
Spotify-nya.
Ibrahimovic. Phillips. And it's Neymar. And now the break.
Lari Canatip, ya. Ya, ayo Frankie.
De Jong.
Kasih ke tengah, Canatip. Oke. Apa?
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something
Ya.
in the way.
Salah tuh tadi.
Head out towards the right wing. And it's Neymar.
Shooting. Oke, nice try. Gak apa. FIFA lebih dari football. FIFA-nya saya masih FIFA 22, bro, soalnya udah tidak layak dimainkan sepertinya. Masih layak sih, cuma apa namanya, ini kan di YouTube buat naikin channel enakan eFootball daripada FIFA. Karena saya apa namanya dapat subscriber, dapat viewer tuh banyakan dari eFootball daripada FIFA. FIFA tuh ada 19 episode, nambahnya tuh dikit. Iya bang, pakai lagu dari HP aja lah. Handphone saya mah buat ngeplay ini kan, buat ngeplay YouTube. Kekencengan, cok. Oh enggak deh.
That's been lever clear.
Woi, pelanggaran, cok. Astaga.
And now they can spring out of defense.
No way.
Scholes
Paul Scholes.
gets away from his opponents.
Nice, Mings, bagus banget.
De Jong. Now the counter.
Ya, ayo songkrasin.
Long ball out to the right.
Lo Neymar, kenapa gitu?
A real chance to break.
Dapat, ya, let's go.
It's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Nice interception, well timed.
Oke, dari HP.
Intercepts
Ya,
through,
dapat.
that's well read. Neymar. Helps for safety. Neymar. Looking for
Ya.
the runner. Rakitic.
Crossing, free, yes, let's go. 2-0. Udah gak usah baca chat. Udah, 2-0, udah aman.
They were made to pay for not moving the ball smartly
Gila.
through a very strong.
Jadi enak nih main nih. Udah, mending Anda WO. Musuh. Halo. Mending Anda WO. Biar saya nggak susah-susah main sampai akhir. Sudah. Ya WO saja Anda. Tidak, cok. Masih 2-0, masih punya harapan dia.
That second goal is such a
Kan?
polarizing effect.
Zlatan.
And the shot.
Tuh kan anjir. Hati-hati aja nih.
De Jong. James. And it's Neymar.
Ya. Kasih Neymar lagi boleh.
And it's Neymar.
True pass. Rashford. Rashford, come on.
And he's in a real
Kasih situ.
position here now. Rakitic.
Oke, nggak apa. Salah posisinya tadi, salah posisi pemainnya saya.
So what
Awas Zlatan, lari dia. Nah kan.
pull past that, sloppy.
Salah, cok.
Pass.
Dapat. Aduh, nggak dapat. Sip.
Rakitic.
Ya. Tenang saja.
They can counter here.
Loh, kok rada ngelek-ngelek, cok.
But it's got the job done. Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Nice.
Now it's Ibrahimovic. Looking to break out here.
Ya. Ya,
Now it's Rakitic.
kasih tengah lagi. Aduh,
Good time. Excellent interception.
udah bagus tuh padahal tuh. Kombinasi tiga pemain.
Should have come up with something better there. Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but
Aduh, duh, 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 duh. Tengahnya. Tengahnya, tolong. Anjir. Teman-teman pada kemana bang? Tidak tahu saya.
he delivers with perfect timing.
Sudah tidak di sini lagi, nggak tahu pada kemana.
Really flung himself at that. Yeah, diving header is always a pleasurable sight, and that
Bosan.
was just about perfect.
Karena teman-teman
This is threatening to
gua
become
tuh nggak ada
a
yang,
game. I think they could sense it
atau bahkan bisa dibilang dikit yang suka bola,
System's goal now.
atau bahkan nggak ada yang benar-benar nonton bola.
And here's Rashford. That's a fabulous ball. And the shots. It's
Makanya gua barengin sama main Uncharted kan, dan ternyata tidak pengaruh juga. Ya sudah, mau gimana lagi.
It's on the back foot. Benacer. Now it's Rafinha. Benacer.
Awas, itu lari. Awas, itu lari. Ah,
Oh, he's onto this.
aduh kan.
Has a goal.
Nah, kan.
Now who's going to be first to this?
No way. Untung gak penalti, cok.
Trying to keep this.
Kepencet bulat. Aduh, duh, duh, duh.
Hits one.
Nice, untung aja. Kepencet bulat, untung gak penalti. Astaga.
Really good half of football.
Oh, begitu ya. Oh, begitu ya. Buset, 7 shot. Cuma 2 yang masuk. Tidak apa-apa lah ya. Dia pelatihnya Zeisler. Zeisler tuh kalau nggak salah Klopp. Berarti mainnya quick counter sepertinya. Biasanya sih kayak gitu. Kalau Zeisler aja lebih kuat di quick counter. Pelanggaran. Ya, pelanggaran dia. Oh, offside yang keren pelanggaran, cuy. Wasitnya nunjuk bagian sono sih, bukan ngangkat tangan, cok.
Rakitic. We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front. And it just, I suppose, to
Alah,
be
Mak.
honest, time and space. Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every
Ush. Keren.
Phillips.
Alamak, Majang.
Well read. When danger is averted.
Kasih situ ya.
Well, the ball
Ayo,
just
gas. Lari, aduh.
quality deserted them when they really needed it. And he's lost his man
Ya.
here.
Kasih Frankie, boleh. Ya. Kasih Neymar.
By an astute
Neymar, cok, bukan Rashford. Neymar. Frankie lagi, balik ke Frankie ya. Come on. Ayo Frankie. Kasih Neymar. Aduh, ya Allah. Rashfordnya nggak maju lagi tuh.
intercepted.
Bang, lu beli PS tahun berapa? Tahun berapa ya?
Up a gear here. Oh, and he's broken the line.
Pokoknya waktu awal-awal PS4 keluar dah.
Roberto Carlos
Lupa gue tahun
gets it
berapa.
away. Chance to break. And it's Neymar. Now it's Rashford.
Salah. Maaf.
Upamecano.
Udah 4 yang nonton.
Well, they could break here.
Itu.
Rafinha.
Nice.
De Jong. Doesn't get
Aduh,
the passes
terupas ke kita coba ganti si Neymar sama Inzaghi deh.
for Milan. And he's picked out
Kan.
the runner.
Bahaya nih.
Great ball, and he's in here. There's the shot.
No.
Who's going to get there?
Woi, pelanggaran sih. Ya Allah, kagak pelanggaran lagi. Itu Roberto Carlos bukannya loncat juga. Agak
Just bludgeoned away.
nih, babak kedua jadi dia yang main nih. Gua jadi nggak main nih.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take.
Tengah, ya.
They're coming
Kasih
again
Neymar.
and again.
Aduh, passingnya. Ah, udahlah.
Great chance.
Halo Bang, halo Awan.
AC Milan are all square.
Halo.
We've seen the hundreds
Buset
win
deh.
it back and the focus to
Like
make
game
it
memang
count.
seperti
A
itu.
very tasty combination.
Game itu gamenya, bukan live streamingnya. Kita coba tuker Neymar sama Inzaghi. Inzaghi tuker sama Songkrasin. Songkrasin enak loh by the way, dipakai dribbling gitu buat menguasai bola. Ya, ganti pemain. Ini dia Filippo Inzaghi, apakah akan menjadi super sub kita? Aduh, untung aja dapat. Oh, Inzaghi langsung dapat. Oh, penalti. Mau nendang ditahan, bro. Penalti. Let's go. Ya, nggak usah ribet-ribet. Tengah aja lah ya. Harusnya sih dia nggak expect tengah. Oh, anjing. Gue lupa ini divisi 4 bro. Kalau misalkan nendang tengah di divisi 7 mah masuk. Udah perpinter orang sekarang. Masuk lagi. It's dapat ya. Come on. Aduh, Inzaghi. Dapat. Aduh, dapat sih cuma. Oke, belakangnya. Langsung ke depan. Bahaya. Aduh, kenapa ke sono, cok, bolanya. Buset, Van Dijk udah capek. Aduh, kan. Ya, udah buang aja, nggak apa-apa. Oh, anjir. Lah mati, apa itu mati tuh? Brrr. Kenapa pause Anda, Tidak perlu di pause bro, lama sekali lagi nyetingnya. Ganti pemain kah dia? Ya, ganti pemain. Siapa dimasukin sama dia? Ibra ya ganti. Oh, Osimhen, pemain Napoli. Aduh, gua ngeri kebobolan sama dia loh. Sumpah. Ngeri kebobolan, cok. Ini dia di babak kedua udah on fire banget ini soal. Buang. Nah, ya, sip. Nice. Oke, jangan aneh-aneh tingkahnya. Kan baru bilang jangan aneh-aneh. Hampir kecuri aja tuh langsung. Gila, backnya masih banyak loh, padahal lagi counter attack itu posisinya. Wih, harusnya dikontrol dulu bro itu. Astagfirullahaladzim. Kalau misalkan dikontrol dulu langsung gol tuh. Pasti gol tuh. Anjir. Jadi bagus gitu dia mainnya. Mohon maaf nih. Mungkin jangan, kita kalau misalkan abis ngegolin jangan takabur dulu bro. Last minute. Oh, let's go. Yes, let's go. That's it. super sub kita, Filippo Inzaghi, memastikan kemenangan kita, bukan memastikan, membawa kita kepada kemenangan. 3 poin, let's go. Bang, lu tahu Kanju? Nggak tahu. Kanjuruhan saya tahu. Let's go. Itu dia. Itu sebenarnya passing salah loh itu. Nggak enak lo lihat. Teng tuh. Dan karena passingnya salah, back musuh jadi nggak bisa antisipasi. Jadi bolanya jadi mengkok gitu loh, gimana sih? Jadi belok gitu loh. Nice. Itu dia. That's how you do it. Let's go, 3 poin. Full time 10 shot, 8 on target. Possession 50-50. Intercept 21. Save. Oh, ini imbang loh. Justru lebih ini seri loh, lebih ke seri ini kalau misalkan lu lihat dari statistiknya. Oke, berarti kita tinggal promosi 6 poin, 4 poin, 4 poin lagi. Kita butuh 4 poin lagi buat promosi. Berarti 2 kali menang ya, 2 kali menang. 2 kali menang atau enggak 1 kali menang, 1 kali seri. Itu aja. Dan kita masih punya tabungan 5 match lagi. Harusnya sih bisa ya. Jangan sampai ini 5 match terakhir low strike. Nah, itu dia yang ribet tuh. Coba main. Ada yang nonton ya? Apa tuh? Oke, mulai, gas. Baca bang, apa itu? Holo Ludokaun, apa anjir itu? Eh. Saya belajar pentatonic tapi tidak bisa. Kenapa ya? Mana ini lawannya, Cok? Nah. Apaan itu, Cok, bahasa Jepang? Oke, MU lawannya. That's the way it is. Ntar ya. Kita lihat dulu apakah dia pro player atau bukan. Seperti dia saya pro player. Aduh, kan bener. Ini kayaknya pro player nih. Ini pro player nih. Lanjutin MotoGP. Hah? Emang gue main MotoGP? Yuk main. Mari kita bermain bola. Ya ampun, belum apa-apa bro. Baru menit ke-8. Menit ke-8, baru detik ke-8 ya. Sudah mulai bertingkah. Tengahnya kosong tuh by the way. Dapat. Anjir lah. MotoGP 2 tahun lalu. Ya ampun, itu game mobile. Lupa saya itu gamenya apaan. Set deh anak orang digebok. Apa itu Rakitic? Canatip shooting. Anjir. Oke, nice. Enggak apa-apa. Coba lagi. Rashford. Oke, corner lagi, bro. Oke, nice hit. Nggak apa. Coba lagi, James. Nice. Lihat Neymar. Balik. Congkrasin. Shooting. Yes. Let's go. Itu dia. That's it. 1-0. Jangan tak kabur dulu. Langsung attacking dia. No, jangan lag please. Anjir, masih terlalu jauh. Kirain gua nge-lag loh itu loh. Dapat bola sini bola. Mana nih? Rekan saya. Oh ini. Crossing aja. Canatip gak bisa nyundul, cok. Oke, langsung long bola ke depan dia. Ada Marcus Rashford. Tidak dapat Marcus. James. Kasih ke Marcus Rashford. Kasih Diong lagi. Oke, corner kah? Aduh, goal kick lagi. Ini yang nonton 3. Apa orang keluar masuk ya? Marcus Rashford. Offside bro. Ya offside. Jelas. Langsung depan dia. Kasih dos siapa lagi gitu. Canatip. Ayo, Rakitic. Shooting. Oke. Harusnya jangan di shooting, harus di cutback tadi. Oke, gak apa. Nice vision, good vision. Visinya bagus tuh. bisa overtop kayak gitu. Oke. Calvin Phillips dapat lagi nggak ada. Tagliafico langsung kasih ke Ivan Rakitic. Curi tadi. Aduh, Calvin Phillips. Dos. Awas, hati-hati. Hati-hati ya itu. Oh, what the pass. Aduh. Itu udah bagus banget gila passingnya. Gue nggak expect ke situ loh passingnya loh. Gue tadi kepengen ke ke Rashford. Tapi dia membelah lautan. Passing membelah lautan, umpan membelah lautan. Ya itulah ya pokoknya lah ya. Anjir lah, keroyok. Fabio Ente, menang ini. Kasih Neymar belakang. Astagfirullahaladzim, nge-lag. Yes, come on. Ayo. Anjir, kok nggak gol, cok? Tapi itu kan nggak gol itu loh, astaga. Jangan nge-lag dong. Gila, udah 9 shot, 7 on target. Dia baru 1 shot, 1 on target musuhnya. Wah, anjir. 2 kali shot aja tuh. 2 kali ya dia yang shot. Aku suka ente nasi tumpang. Untung aja. Anjir. Ya, sip. 3 ya tuh. 3 kali aja nge-shoot tuh dia tuh. Kan? Oke, sip. Anjir. 4 kali dong nge-shoot nah. Bahaya. Udah mulai nih. Anjir, anak orang mental, cok. Nasi tumpeng, astagfirullahaladzim, nasi tumpang. Aku gombal ya bang, Anda cari streamer perempuan aja bro. Saya punya community tab. Saya bisa nulis sesuka saya. Ya Pak Ayo. Ya Allah. Ribet lu free kick aja. Nah, kan dapat. Yuk. Anjir lah, muter-muter Neymar ngapain, cok? Tidak bisa lewat. Kasih Neymar. Aduh, anjir. Dapat. Ngelek, cok. Itu Rakitic. Dor. Astaga. Bagus tuh padahal tuh. Aduh, Canatip lagi yang ngambil. Oke, nggak apa. Nice try, Reece James. Emang shoot kayak gitu perlu tuh. 11 shot, 7 on target. On targetnya nggak nambah, shotnya mah nambah. Kadang bikin aku kesal. Canatip. Anjir, Canatip diapain itu, cok. Tiba-tiba bolanya. Aduh, kan. Yang gini-gini nih. Yang kayak gini nih. Dapat kayak anjir. Rashford. Ente lari kayak dikejar. Anjir, emang dikejar sih. Nah lo. Dapat
It's a
ya.
promising ball.
Anjir, kok nggak dapet bolanya, cok.
But it came to nothing.
Nice, Canatip.
Rakitic is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts. Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass is
Oke,
lacked
pinter
pace.
dia. Aku butuh kemenangan.
He's found a way past. Oh,
Ayo Roberto Carlos, lari. At least tutup lah, anjir. Jago dia.
oh, it's opened up for
Gak
him.
usah begayaan lu ah.
Goes down, but nothing.
Jangan tak kabur. Ingat. Musuh masih bisa comeback.
Come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Great defending, strong and determined.
Apakah ya? 2-0. Di rumah ada lampu di kuburan dah atau kerajaan ada darah di itu kok.
Things starting to look very comfortable. We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
Bagus. Itu dia. Apakah saatnya kita memasukkan Inzaghi?
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Rashford hits it back.
Inzaghi di match sebelumnya
Manchester
save
United
the day.
finding their passes. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Sokrasin,
Anjir.
Neymar.
Kasih Sokrasin lagi. Ayo, dapat.
Brilliant.
Aduh, anjir. Enggak dapet, cok.
Mane.
Lari Mane.
Down the left. Mane. Dost.
Yes. Ya,
Sokrasin.
sepertinya sudah waktunya
Was on the back foot.
buat
Now it's Rakitic. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This
ya,
is
Neymar juga udah merah.
a matchup.
Kita ganti Neymar. Si Inzaghi
Oh, good read.
kita request pause dulu.
Rashford.
Langsung ke depan, arahkan pada Rashford. Dapat Rashford. Loh, offside, astaga. Apaan anjir? Ribut sendiri di komen. Afan. Aduh. Seandainya kau tahu, ku tak ingin kau pergi. Asik. Meninggalkanku sendiri bersama bayangan. Gitu nggak ya liriknya? Tidak tahu saya.
De Jong. Now it's Rashford. And that interception was most necessary.
Itu Inzaghi tipe-tipe goal poacher banget, cok.
Mane. Decent progress down the left. Mane's
Nah lu.
cross. And through to the goalkeeper.
Gila itu Oliver Kahn ancang-ancangnya kayak mau ngelempar jauh, cok.
Sokrasin.
Tahu-taunya deket.
And that's been intercepted. Rashford.
Bagus, Mings. Aduh. Nah lu. Gus. Itu dia Oliver Kahn. Itu yang saya butuhkan. Keberanian. Anjir. Mau ngegolin langsung lah,
And now they can spring
Eh.
the defense. Oh,
Eh.
that is a good ball to find him. De Jong. For Rakitic. Well seen. Coming.
Sabar.
Have beautifully policed that midfield.
Oh.
The opposition have been
Mundur, turun, buang. Oke, sip. Nice. Pelanggaran tuh kayak. Ya, kartu kuning. Mau ngebuang bola, tapi dia kayak nekel. Anjir lah, kenapa jadi salah-salah ya? Passing. Tuh jadi banyak kesalahan dan menit-menit akhir ya. Astaga. Jangan fokus nih. Buang. Sip. Anjir, nggak buang kayak gitu juga dong. Kalau misalkan buang langsung aja ke out. Oh, let's go. What a pass. Salahan. Oke, marking, jaga jarak aja. Dia mau through pass kah? Oh tidak, mau cut inside, shooting nih. Oh tidak. Langsung buang aja, bro. Udah aman ini, menang kita. Golin lah, Bang. Udah biar 3-0, Bang. Kagak. Kirain mau bunuh diri. Oke. 3 poin lagi. 12 shot, 8 on target. Harusnya kita layak menang lah ya dengan seperti itu. Let's go. 1 poin lagi kita promosi. Aduh anjing. Kok jadi toksik sih lu? Udah, tidak perlu. Mari, kiper dia Courtois lo by the way. Pick gue mana? Oh ini. Ya. 1 poin lagi kita ke divisi 4. Let's go. Aduh nge-lag pula, astaga. Ngap. Aduh nge-lag, cok. Wah anjir lah. Untung gak gol. Mas, kalau misalkan nge-shoot jangan sambil nge-sprint. Ingat itu. Jadi kemana-mana tendangan lu ntar. Mending berhentiin dikit atau pelanin dulu baru syuting. Jangan syuting sambil lari Anda. Saya kasih tahu aja. Soalnya pengalaman. Anjir, udah 2 shot aja woi, jangan nge-lag lah. Ayolah. Please lah. Lapar lagi gua. Astaga.
was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay. James.
I kissed him yesterday. And your voice begins to break.
Kane. De Bruyne. Offside that time.
Offside. Jelas. Anjir, berapa set piece gua ambil dari tadi, cok. Ayolah, jangan ngelik-ngelik lah.
Rakitic. Phillips. De Bruyne.
Tuh kalau udah ngelik nggak dapat momentumnya, Pak.
And that interception was
Ya, Anda tahu sendiri lah ya kalau misalkan main nge-lag.
back in a hurry. A real chance to break. And they're on him in a
Pelanggaran.
Bruyne can skip away a free kick.
Sini kece.
Rakitic. De Jong. Good spot, he's seen the run. And that's got behind for a goal kick. Van Dijk is there and he can pick it up.
Sabar, itu pemain tengah belum pada maju, udah
De Bruyne.
dikedepanin aja, bro. Sabar, santai. Chill.
What we've seen, Jim, over the early moments of the game. Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So
Astaga.
they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up. Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then.
Kevin De Bruyne,
His teammates
Calvin Phillips, Harry Kane.
And it's De Bruyne.
De Bruyne bahaya, untung aja. Offside ternyata.
No way. He's managed to get himself offside.
Benar. Gila, gua nggak ngapa-ngapain, cow, dari tadi, astaga. Possessionnya 50-50 sih.
Neymar.
Tuh gila, nggak ngapa-ngapain gua dari tadi.
Good defending there.
Lawan Beijing.
Slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. And it's Scholes. Enter is cut out. Scholes is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
Dapat, ya, come on.
With an intelligent blow, but
Astaga. Woi,
that's been intercepted.
anjing lah. Astaga. Belum rezeki. Coba lagi.
Phillips cuts it out. It's a pretty loose pass. Oh, he's onto this. Oh, what a ball!
Kok nggak kena nendang? Ada lagi cerita yang nendang nggak kena. Astaga. Rashford.
Interesting ball. De Jong. Now it's Neymar. Oh,
Duh.
well played. Now it's Kane. De Bruyne. Trippier. Now it's De Bruyne. De
Pas,
Bruyne
ya.
delivers.
Langsung sayap.
That's sloppy.
Passingnya
Scholes.
kurang power tuh. Harusnya
Trippier.
stunning pass pakainya. Nggak
It's
dapet.
De Bruyne. That's a modern defender's instinct from
Ya, offside lagi, buset. Berapa kali dia offside, cok. Offside mulu bocah. Gila lu.
His flag offside. Neymar. And here's Neymar. Kane. De Bruyne. Played into the middle.
Buang.
And
Sip.
he's there to get it away.
Apaan tuh?
But that's
Anjir lah. Nge-lag, cok.
Neymar. Phillips. Now it's Neymar. De Jong.
Alamak. Habis main tengahku.
That tackle was certainly sturdy.
Alamak, Jang.
De Bruyne.
Harry Kane, awas Harry Kane.
And it's Kane.
Ya anjir, nggak masuk loh. Gue masuk. Tidak apa. Coba lagi. Astaga, astaga. Courtois nomor 100. Emang bisa nomor 100 ya? Aduh, salah. Canatip. Kosong. Yes. Let's go. Pecah nggak tuh tiba-tiba pas Kayak sih pecah sih suara gua. Itu dia cara menjebol Beijing FC. Ivan Rakitic memanfaatkan bola liar atau bola muntah atau rebound. Berapa shot kita? Dikit. Cuma 3 shot, 2 on target. Oh, dia cuma 2 shot doang loh. 0 on target. Bayangkan kita justru. Karena apa? Karena dia banyak offside. Offside dia berapa tadi? Gua ngeliat. Ya. Ya.
Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Hey. Aduh. Buset, langsung power shot dari situ, gila. Yeah. Nice try, nice try. Ente. Buset, dibuang kemana itu, bro? Tuh, ya. Yes. Let's go. Canatip song kerasin, kosong, tidak dijaga. 2-0. Ayo 2-0. Mantap. Let's go. Ayo, divisi 3. We are coming. Come on, ayo. We're coming. We are coming. Divisi 3, halo divisi 3, kami datang. Oh.
Rashford. Sokrasi, nicely intercepted. Well seen, saw that coming. No, again there's no way through.
Nggak bisa. Itu, ya. Dapat. Tidak dapat. Kenapa gua back, Cok? Itu komennya nambah, cuma nggak muncul di YouTube gua loh. Sumpah di YouTube gua tuh terakhir komen Arka, Cok. Tapi tadi nambah lagi. Apa sih maksudnya YouTube? Itu Neymar. Anjir lah. Aturan shooting dari situ. Pelanggaran. Oke, kita masukin Inzaghi boleh? Enggak deh, Neymar nendang dulu, baru Inzaghi masuk. That's it. Ya kan, untung gak gue ganti dulu Neymar. Itu bagaimana cara Anda menendang penalti seperti itu? Penalti, free kick. Gue ajarin tuh. Watch and learn. Ya, bahasa Inggris saya jelek sekali, saya tahu. Maaf. Watch and learn. Number 10, Neymar. Number 11, Inzaghi. Filippo Inzaghi. Filippo. Shooting Filippo. Ya anjir, Canatip nggak. Halo, tolong. Koneksi, tolong. Gus. Ya. Aduh, aturan terupas. Maaf, salah. Offside. Jelas offside. Harusnya ke Frankie De Jong saya passingnya. Canatip, astaga, nggak dipasing ke Canatip loh. Anjir. Corner kick. Gila, Inzaghi udah dapat 2 peluang, bre. Enak nih berarti nih Inzaghi nih. Boleh banget nih. Inzaghi dapat lagi peluang. Ya. Let's go. It's an awesome performance. 4-0 Beijing FC kita bantai. Let's go. Nah, enak nih berarti, enakan apa nama Inzaghi dijadiin sub daripada starter. Buang ya.
Unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
So what can they make of this? Now it's Inzaghi.
Dapat Inzaghi, ayo Inzaghi. Aduh.
Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. Well intercepted, and it certainly needed to.
Aduh, salah. Dapat.
Now it's Kane. And it's Scholes. Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. Rashford, he's through here, and they can counter here. Rashford. Hefty challenge, but fair enough.
4-0 deh menang sih. Atau 5-0 mungkin. Enggak, 4-0 deh. Dapat? Tidak dapat. Ya, let's go. Promosi kita. Kita promosi ke divisi 3. Selfie cheese. Ya, kita promosi ke divisi 3 sekali lagi. Shot 7 on target. Oke, akhir-akhir ini beberapa match terakhir ini kita main bagus sih. sama 11. Ya akhir-akhir ini kita main bagus sih. Boleh simpan suaranya. Let's go. Divisi 3. Cuma 2% yang bisa masuk ke divisi 3. 2,6 tambah berapa tuh? Tambah 2,8% player. Dan ya di divisi 3 ini kita butuh 7 kemenangan. Ya 6 dengan 1 seri lah ya. Jadi kalau misal cuma boleh kalah 4 kali, itu cuma boleh kalah 4 kali. Udah. Dan ya ini bakal keras sekali sih. Oke, coba kita mainkan. Baru 1 jam. Loh. Loh, kenapa ini, Cok? Streamingnya oke kah? Harusnya oke sih. Streamingnya oke. eFootballnya kayaknya. Untung eFootball ya, bukan streaming ya. Astaga. Restream lagi gue. Ku berkelana. Asik. Jauh aku ya gimana sih itulah ya, kurang lebih kayak gitulah ya. Lupa chordnya juga. Lupa. It's talking dia. It's just Fabinho, Martin Odegaard, Gallagher. Bentar, Gallagher bukannya musisi nggak sih Gallagher? Nggak tahu, lupa gue.
Marseille take up their starting position ahead of what will be another manic dash towards the finish line. A finish line beyond which lies pastures substantially greener, substantially more fertile, substantially more lucrative. They really do want to get off to a flyer here. Old Trafford rising to the
Sebentar. Sebentar. Aduh, nyangkut. Nyangkut kabel, aduh.
Action has already started.
Untung aja.
And the shots on here.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
And the referee is shaking his head.
Nge-lag. Ayolah, divisi 3 masa nge-lag, bro.
Lukaku. And he's searching for
Sepak bola. Anjir.
Manchester United.
Belum apa-apa, belum.
Manchester United take the lead. Not so much sophistication
Telat
as
kick off.
doggedness
Seperti
and
itu
sheer
lah.
bloody-mindedness.
Players like this fella almost have a sixth
Anjir lah, dapat aja dia.
such great coaching positions. How quick man
No.
Marseille didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? And it's been taken straight back. Neymar proving a very adept defender. It was a good tackle too.
Yeah, listen, we often get critical of a forward's tackle, but that was squeaky clean.
Woi. Passing, cok.
Chooses to go back. Now to Rashford.
Dapat songkrasin.
Elah.
Elah.
Manchester United needed that. They really needed it.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability
Anjir
until
lah.
the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Lovely ball and a real chance now. It's Neymar.
Beda kan? Divisi 3, gila kan?
Sokrasin,
Woi. Aduh, nge-lag, cok.
Mbappe.
Sembuh dong.
Tries a shot.
Anjir lah.
He's got away with one there. Phillips. Now it's Neymar. Oh, super ball. Oh, shooting chance. Gallagher. And the counter is on. And that has left him in a heap. Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him. And here's Rashford. And they can counter here. And it's Lukaku. Pass wasn't good enough there, and he knows it. Gallagher. Neymar. Nice ball, and he might be in here. Hefty challenge, but fair enough. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. And here's the chance to counter. That's put paid to a promising move. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Eh,
And he's in a really good position here. Now, can he finish?
let's go.
They've done it!
Skip.
I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before the ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Fabinho. Manchester United looking to pass their way through. Mbappe. Rakitic. Out to the left it goes. Rashford. Shot could be on. Good challenge. Excellent challenge. De Ligt. Defenders on the back foot. And here's Rakitic. And they're looking at the referee, but he's waved play on. And now the breakaway. Odegaard. Lukaku. There's no flag. He's had a shot. Cleared without complication.
Sabar bro, alarm itu.
Lukaku with a beautifully timed run.
Neymar, astagfirullahaladzim, udah merah Neymar.
Well, they could break
Staminanya ya di babak pertama emang biasanya merah juga sih.
and that's been levered clear.
Berkelana.
Rakitic. Fabinho spots it and intercepts. De Ligt. Phillips does really well to win the ball there. Looking to break out here. De Jong.
London,
It's a good ball.
London. Tiang asu. Oke, mantap. Ingin ku ke sana. London, London. Net 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 neo.
Really good half of football. 3 goals and just one separating them. And we are up to the break. Oh, what a half. It's been
London,
Potential classic if this
London.
carries on. This is insanely
Ingin ku
good.
ke sana.
very little in it. The score at half time is
Woi, ngelek cok. Astaga, woi.
so we're just settling back into this second
Aduh,
half.
ya Allah, mulai dapet tingkah lagi dah. Tadi udah enak lo main lo. Astagfirullahalazim.
Lukaku and he's in on goal.
Ya udah dah. Aduh, ngelek cok. Males banget gue main dah kayak gini dah.
Oh, what a fabulous game
Alah.
this is. It just keeps getting better.
Udah enak padahal tadi main tak tok tak tok tak tok udah ada dapat iramanya. Tiba-tiba ngelek. Astaga.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His
Fine.
anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
Quite a Neymar. Pass needed to be better. Odegaard. Final ball not quite right. His teammates are irritated at that. Interesting ball. Well, the counter-attack will come to nothing because that is an errant touch.
Oh, what a dampener that was. Just when we were hoping he'd turn up the heat.
James. Now it's De Jong. De Jong. Excellent challenge.
Free,
It's
shooting.
Rashford! Now who's going to be first to this?
Loh. Offside, astaga.
He gives him offside.
Harusnya gue passing bisa tuh ke Canatip.
De Jong.
Lama.
Odegaard. Chance to break. Ball past that, sloppy. Press is doing its job and possession has been lost. Oh, good read. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This is a formidable matchup. Oh, the shot could be on here. Neymar.
Kok ke sono? Astaga, bukan ke Neymar.
Some real no-nonsense defending.
That appeared to be an inevitable outcome. Too much traffic.
Overtop langsung itu Canatip. Aduh, Canatip yang mundur
Could be
lagi,
dangerous,
cok.
but it came to nothing.
Boleh kita masukin Inzaghi deh.
Odegaard. That's a clever looking ball. Oh, that's a key interception. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Now it's Rashford.
Woi, astaga, ngelek.
Alaba. And it's
Sumpah ini ngelek, cok.
That's been intercepted. James. So what can they make of this?
Ini lah.
It's a nice idea, but the execution was the goal. Mendy. Now the counter. Spread neatly. Sonkrasin. Inzaghi. Manchester United can breathe again. Just.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
Scholes. He's got away.
Substitutions taking
Hit
place.
with his head, but couldn't steer it in. And he's had a hit. Oh, should have put that away.
That could get through very pivotal. Chances like that just can't be wasted.
Sonkrasin. That's been cut out. Well played. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. And he's lost his man here. Phillips stands up to him well and emerges with the ball.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Dapat.
Just eases him off the ball.
Dapat. Aduh anjir.
Merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Dapat. Ya.
Robust defending and the ball's been lost.
Manchester United showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
In with the challenge. Sonkrasin. Good spot, he's seen the run. James.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more
Songkrasinnya
opportunity
tidak merapat.
for a late steal here.
It's Sterling.
Nice. Untung dia power shot, cok, bukan shot biasa.
Might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last flick.
Yes. Again. Let's go. 3-2. Filippo Inzaghi lagi. Golazo hari ini ada Golazo 2 hari ini. Hari ini ada 2 Golazo, mantap sekali.
That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
Udah menang dah.
Marseille take what looks to be a decisive lead.
Sit. Astagfirullahaladzim, wasit.
But they should find it necessary to avoid a slip-up now.
Dah.
And the referee brings it to a close. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to
What a
adversity.
comeback.
Deserving winners. Rashford picking up the man of the match.
Dari 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 2-2, 3-2.
Marseille leave it late, but in the end, it was great.
Kemenangan pertama di divisi 3. Aduh, bener-bener begitu sulit main di divisi 3. Apalagi why you always in the mood?
The players today are escorted by boys from the local school team.
Waduh. Berat. Don't look back in anger. I heard you say. Take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows. It's not okay. Don't you put your love in my
So, ladies and gentlemen, we
hand.
can finally get going. Welcome
Look
to Anfield. Really
all
enjoyed this
over.
unmissable game. Hugely anticipated, hugely hyped.
Gotta
And
start a
it's
revolution
been
from my
this moment
bed.
in time.
It's not the brains I ever into my
To take to
head.
here ahead of such an important game.
Step outside, 'cause summertime's in
Didn't just
bloom.
miss it. We are up and running already.
I think it's only right for me to respectfully acknowledge Fabio Cannavaro as being a little giant.
Not the tallest of centre halves, but amongst the most commanding.
Yeah, and whatever he lacks in height, he makes up for in other areas. Anticipation, timing and tactical intelligence, they're all top class.
And it's Lewandowski. Neymar. This is good. That's a foul.
Neymarnya beda loh.
Mings did incur the wrath of the referee and has earned himself a booking in the process.
Yeah, well, they were exposed.
Neymar pasti yang ngambil tuh.
He knew he
Nah,
had
kan.
to do something to prevent a goal now.
What a start. Free kick in a dangerous position in the opening. Neymar!
Uh,
Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
ah shit,
He's got away.
he knows
It's
it.
Lewandowski. Neymar. To Rakitic. A real chance to break. Oh, good read.
Ngelek cok.
Well intercepted.
Astagfirullah.
And the counter is on.
Tuh,
It's an
astaga.
interesting matchup. Well, it didn't look good for a while.
Ayolah, ini divisi 3 masa ngelek sih?
And they got away with it.
Well, I
Ayolah.
thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Pantas mereka divisi 3 lawannya seperti ini cok.
De Bruyne.
Saya merasakan apa yang lawan mereka rasakan.
It was on the back foot. Now then, the ball's come
Dapat.
away from immediate danger. Neymar.
Anjir, nyangkut.
Makalele. And here's the chance to counter. Neymar. No, he wasn't being taken in by that trickery. Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated.
Tuh. Ayolah, come on lah.
Chance to break. It's Rashford.
Woi, mana rekannya? Tidak ada pemain.
Bodies. Now it's Rashford. Look at the space here. He's in a great position. Oh, important interception. Kimmich. And that interception was most necessary.
Woi, pelanggaran sih. Astagfirullahaladzim, kagak pelanggaran. Udah garuk pala duluan gua.
And they can break here.
Asik.
Driving on and making good progress. He is through here.
Bergaya dia.
Neymar going face to face with his great
Ela,
rival. Roberto Carlos defending his corner stubbornly, stood up very well to his man.
nggak usah deh lu skill move
Ball into
gitu.
space. That's been cut out, well played. Neymar. So what can they make of this?
Let's go Frankie, ayo.
That's De Jong. Plenty of room for the shot. Heads it!
Afri, no.
Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Canatif astagfirullahaladzim. Ya gue tahu sundulan lu jelek, cuma jangan gitu-gitu amat gitu loh. Itu depan gawang, cok. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
That's been intercepted.
Marseille have really been terrific at snuffing out the threat. Now for something different.
That's a
Onside
fabulous
please.
goal.
Ya, belakang.
That has sent him
Anjir lah.
Well, the crowd
Nice.
really like what they just saw. Some
Kalau lewat bahaya banget itu sayap.
defending. Gets his pass away.
Dapat.
Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner. Just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Neymar.
Delay.
He's going to be disappointed with that.
Ayolah. Ya bener lah.
De Jong. Phipps. And here's Rashford. Shot could be solid goal.
Anjir.
A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. In comes the cross. Cannavaro gets it away. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. And here's Lewandowski. And he's heaved it away. And they're quick to get it back. Koundé. Played back in.
Dapat ya.
Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past.
Itu banyak gaya anjir.
And the whistle goes.
Ada yang nonton itu.
So
Satu
the
like,
team has
dua.
broken through, but
Ya satu sama gua sih. Satu lagi berarti satu orang.
game up to now, but still goals.
Aduh, ampun. No.
Just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0.
Substitutions taking place.
Ganti pemain dia. Ganti siapa itu? Makelele masuk
Start of the second half.
sepertinya. Iya, De Bruyne ditarik.
Feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up. But they
Buang. Astagfirullahaladzim, ngapain di situ? Oke.
can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Buang, cok. Woi, astagfirullahaladzim, bahaya.
Marseille can counter promptly here.
Ya, come on. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Showing good feet. De Jong.
Astagfirullah.
Promising, but the final ball is just not quite right. And now the breakaway.
Harus berapa Mbps, wifi
They
gua
can
kalau
counter
misalkan.
here. Neymar. Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. And this is Neymar. Oh, well
Aduh.
played, well played. It's a good ball and it could be in.
Delay, cok.
Move up a gear here. Joao
Mencetnya
Felix.
kapan, keluar kapan, cok?
Can he get away here? Joao Felix.
Ya, anjir lah.
It's a goal.
Nggak ngerti gua. Cok, astagfirullahaladzim. 1-0.
And the finish unerring.
Joe Felix.
Decisive and unerring. A textbook example of how to turn defense into counter.
Aduh, padahal udah ditutup, bodoh. Kenapa Anda masih passing ke situ, hey? Awas itu Felix ya, no. Lari dia. Nah. Takut kan?
Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking.
Sabar.
James.
Kasih ke belakang.
Rakitic is
Ke sini.
effectively being knocked out of the game here.
Set.
Well, they seem
Set.
intent on
And the
Cur.
shot!
Anjir.
Marseille. See now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Rakitic. Chance!
Anjir lah nggak masuk-masuk, Cok.
He's felt that, hasn't he? That's been won straight back. Gets it back. And he's found the run. He's left his
Udah
man.
masuk lagi nih.
Joao Felix. Oh, shooting chance!
Anjir.
It's a goal!
Nggak masuk-masuk. Astagfirullahaladzim.
That goal comes comfort. And that
Coba
really is
tukar-tukar. Biar Calvin Phillips ini
Yeah, that's what the
Neymar.
game is all about.
Tukar sama
Excitement and entertainment. What a
Inzaghi.
lovely moment.
Dah. Ya.
Substitution for Marseille.
Time for a change in personnel. Madrid have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
That second goal has given them so much more command and
Alamak, Canatip mau peluang kayak mana lagi lah. Aduh.
to their lead or
Delay pula lagi nih.
surely they'll manage one or the other.
Nah kan. Biru-birunya. Aduh.
No, the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance.
Pantes.
Here's
Ini
Neymar.
orang pada menang ya.
Can he finish?
Anjir, untung nggak masuk, Cok. Mantulnya keluar untung.
Could have been different.
Kalau mantul ke dalam, waduh, berabe. 3-0 udah, tidak ada harapan.
Step up again.
Out saya langsung.
Felix.
Tunggu
Marseille
aja.
can start a counter here. James.
Makin deg-deg. Astaga.
Sloppy. And it's Snyder. Foot in. Looking to break out here. Rashford. Now the counter. And here's Neymar.
Beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
A real chance to break. Defending was strong and firm. And it's Lewandowski. Well, there was an element of promise insofar as they kept the ball well, but they did very little with it. Now it's Inzaghi. Rashford. Filippo Inzaghi. It's Inzaghi! One ball looking to counter. No, he's not getting his way this time. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. It's a loose ball. Now the finish!
Ya,
They've done it! And they are dragging it back! Game on again!
Yeah, I think that transition,
inilah cara-cara
they won it back.
manusia-manusia ini. Ya di pause dulu kalau misalkan abis kebobolan mau comeback nih ceritanya, di pause dulu, memang seperti itu bro caranya. Jadi orang moodnya udah naik, di pause jadi turun gitu. Taktik-taktik orang seperti ini paling dia ya ganti 1-2 pemain, tapi gantinya lama tuh caranya, pengalaman.
Substitution in progress.
Padahal dia nggak ganti pemain
Some
pun
activity down on the touchline. It
nggak
seems
beda
there's
jauh.
going to be a change. Marseille give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Aduh, ya Allah.
Too easily intercepted.
Ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah. Tolong. Coba crossing.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side.
Masih De Jong.
And there's his chance to lead the counter.
2 added minutes has been.
Aduh, kenapa nggak ke Canatip? Astaga.
Scholes could move up a gear here.
Please don't, please don't, please don't.
It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Udahlah, kalah. 2-1, 2-1, udah 1.
And the
Oke,
referee
good game.
puts it
Nggak
to
apa-apa.
rest.
Nice try, nice try. Aduh, benar-benar.
Moments, but they are beaten by the
Ya, kita nggak main jelek-jelek amat lah ya. Dan 6 shot, 5 on target. Nggak beda jauh sama dia. Coba nah. Ya elah, nggak ada kapok, gue lupa. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Semoga aja. Oh, dia pakai kapo di Fred 1. Sip. My shadow is all that. My shadows are the only thing that. Sometimes I wish. Aduh. Anjing. Susah banget. Aku lapar, aku ingin makan. Tapi aku bingung makan apa. I walk a lonely road. Anjir. Kenapa ketemu lawan tuh yang aneh-aneh gitu, heran gue. Nggak bisa gitu main 4-3-3 gitu. Normal be normal, kagak usah di pindah-pindahin gitu. Yang gue harapin cuma satu, lancar moga-moga.
Well, it is a game which in the grand scheme of things may not have too much riding on it, but
Asik.
equally clear
Blues FC.
that there is
Orang Indo nih.
pride around it. Chants of filling our ears, proud renditions of hymns and songs. It is the perfect soundtrack.
Harusnya sih nggak nge-lag kalau misalkan lawannya orang Indo.
This must be amongst the favorite arenas of supporters all over the world. It really
Oke, lumayan bisa main dia, Cok. Bukan ngeroco ini.
Action has already started. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game? Has a shot.
Oh shit.
What a save!
Tak through thick and thin.
So less said about that pass, the better. Sokrasin. Where to Rakitic. Neymar! And it's a goal!
And what a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on. This could be rather exciting.
Just so calm under pressure. He managed to fashion a fine finish.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
Which
Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Haaland deserves a lot of credit for his willingness to make those runs. The passers will always have an option with him.
Roberto Carlos.
ya bagus.
Rakitic.
Itu orang belum menduga pergerakan seperti itu tuh.
Pass needed.
Passingnya dikasih lambung.
De Jong. Now it's De Jong. Big chance.
Eits, dapat Ederson.
Terrific save from the keeper.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A
Magnificent
Final
ever.
ball not
Sampai apal
quite
gue
right. His
sama
teammates
komentatornya.
irritated at that. Rakitic. Kimmich cuts it
Coba
out.
dapat, aduh. Bagus dia mainnya. Boleh. Tuh ngapain lagi tuh? Coba. Anjir lah, nggak masuk cok. Awas salannya di tengah. Aduh, halannya. Oh. Nice. Oh shit. Dapat, oke. Sabar. Kasih tengah. Anjir nggak gitu dong Oliver Kahn. Ya, bagus. Baru bilang bagus Van Dijk. Buang aja. Ya. Aduh, Canatip mini banget. Kelihatan banget cok duel sama Van Dijk. Buang. Nice. Gua nggak mau ngambil resiko nih di sini nih. Passing di belakang, dapat bola buang aja cok. Apalagi di dekat gawang. Aduh, udahlah. Cir, main aman aja kita. Ini dong main lancar enak ya. Sungguh depan dia. Mana dia? Ditarik Sid. Astagfirullahaladzim, ditarik itu cok. Wasit. Bagus, tutup. Ya, mau fake shot dia tadi. Gila, ini orang bisa main loh. Iyalah, kalau nggak bisa main gak nyampe divisi 3 gimana sih? Bener juga sih.
They showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
pretty loose pass. Looking for the runner. He's found a way through. He's had a hit. He's gone direct
Tutor
here.
ngegolin di PES.
Well played. That has snuffed out the danger.
Tutor finishing mas.
Valverde.
Added time.
Dari tadi finishing kagak masuk.
He's through here.
Langsung depannya. Nice.
Referee's had a look and he's blown his whistle for half-time. And there we are. Off they go for half-time.
6 shot ternyata kita lumayan lah ya. Dia 9.
Only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Yang on target kita 5. Off targetnya enggak on target 5. Off targetnya 1. Shotnya ada 6.
They worked tirelessly for me. Marseille having to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0.
Anjir.
Into the second 45 minutes.
Itu kalau nggak di delay ya.
Solitary goal. That has been the crucial difference.
Jangan pahit. Oke, sip.
And now they can spring out of defence.
Anjir.
And now the breakaway.
Oke, delay sedikit. Biarin
Now it's
offset.
Messi. Oh, good
Yeah.
read.
Anjir ngapain di situ? Nice.
Defenders on the back foot.
Kasih Neymar. Ya, Neymar kasih ke tengah.
Well seen.
Aduh.
Saw that coming. Neymar. And here's the chance to counter. And Dijk makes the interception.
Aduh kok ke sana sih? Gila. Bukannya ke tengah.
De Jong. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Aduh nggak bisa. Sabar. Mainnya sabar.
Well,
Aduh,
Peter,
Messi-nya
you can
kosong.
see here how a
Kan.
lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore.
And that means just one thing. Now the finish!
Uh.
Potential goal of the season contender. If only.
Messi just backs himself every time. Give him a challenge and he'll rise to it.
James.
Kasih lihat dulu ya. Rashford maju.
Rashford. Oh, that's neat.
Ah,
Oh, he's picked out the runner.
saya nggak bisa skill boost kayak gitu. Kalau bisa lewat tuh 2 langsung.
But that won't be the last they'll see of it.
The attendance for this match was 70,987.
That tackle was certainly sturdy. He's not played the ball
Kenapa cok?
well.
Pelanggaran.
Just a talking to, I think. Yes,
Pelanggaran.
it is.
Pelanggaran kawan.
And it's Rakitic. Roberto Carlos looking for chance.
Canatip. Anjir offside loh.
I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Alamak.
Valverde. Lovely ball into space. Neymar. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This is a
Offside.
matchup.
Untung aja.
Called offside that time.
Well, it's good stuff. This is
1-0 aja ngejaga 1-0 aja ya Allah.
interest value in this game might just take off from here.
Berat cok.
Move forward and quickly so.
Kita boleh anjir lah. Dia tahu loh gue pengen dapat anjing kagak dapat.
Wrong with that tackle.
Anjir lah,
Won
tolong.
cleanly. Has a goal!
Bagus banget Van Dijk.
That is
On time banget datangnya. Itu kalau misalkan dia hold dikit lagi bisa tuh. Oke, kita coba keluarin Neymar. Kita tarik Neymar. Neymar kita tarik, ganti Inzaghi. Udah. Substitution.
have their second corner now. Up to meet it.
Sip. Mana.
Harmlessly behind.
Dingin. Sekali, bro.
Sokrasil. impressions so far, Jim?
There's a lot
Makanya
of
itu dia
football
main
still to
perosotan
be
di situ.
played, Peter. So ideally they need to maintain an attacking endeavour.
Rashford.
Inzaghi ayo, aduh,
And the shot!
anjir lah. Gila Courtois dia, Ederson, Courtois lagi. Courtois mah yang sebelumnya.
Sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Dapat Inzaghi? Oke, nggak dapat.
Tries to clear. And now a sudden chance to counter. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Valverde.
Dapat. Ya,
He's felt that, hasn't he?
anjir.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed. But will
Awas Haalandnya lari dia. Haaland dia lari. Hati-hati. Ya.
Oh, important interception. Gets his pass away. He's tried one.
Oh shoot.
Should have equalised.
knows only too well how important the chance
Buset dia nge-shot berapa kali, Cok. Dari jauh-jauh terus.
Pass that, sloppy.
Dapet loh ternyata loh. Perhitungan gue tadi nggak dapet. Neymar ya Pak. Makanya
keep
saya
on
passing ke
and
situ.
carry on. That's the job in a nutshell.
Lo kenapa ke sono? No, Haalandnya. Ya kan?
And that's been lever clear.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of
Kasih Inzaghi,
desperation
santai
and keep
aja.
enough cool heads to still deliver.
Inzaghi ditempel. Wih, santai bro, mainnya bro. Wih, tidak ada opsi passing.
De Jong. Good read. Needed
Kenapa lagi tuh wasit ngangkat bendera?
Probably could have killed things off, but they
Oh no. No.
And the shot!
Yes.
Strike. Fizzing low.
Tidak masuk.
keeper felt he had that covered. Some of the crowd were
Gila, umpan belah lautan.
well drilled.
Marseille clearly now in lead preservation mode. Marseille need to hold on for a few more moments. Gets away from his opponents. It's one.
Anjing lah. Kok bisa nggak gol sih?
Wonderful effort.
Delay cok nge-lag langsung.
Oh, that's an
Tuh.
excellent try. And
Anjir lah.
picked it up. He headed forward with
Buang. Wah, langsung nge-lag cok. Ibut bol nggak lucu. Halo, ibut bol. Cok.
But the timing has to be spot on.
Neymar.
Wah, sumpah nggak lucu cok. Sabar, tahan.